Okay, so the annoyance is this. We have a nice little measuring stick here, which will give me, which gives me the adjustment between the saw blade and this, so that when I cut the wood off, I know I'm cutting to the same measurement all the time. However, we have many times when you reach the end of a log, it's too short to bring all the way out to here. So it would be really nice, instead of just cutting it at some random length, it would be really nice to be able to mark it on the infeed, and then when you cut the end off, you know you're getting the rest of the log is, let's say, 16 inches. That's where I'll mark it at. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I need to clean this first. Shoot it with some brake clean.
Okay.
All right, to the saw is 2 inches to the end of the infeed trough. So now I'll come over here and we'll go 14 inches, which is right there. All right, so 14 inches is right there. Now I know this is going to rub off. But I figure if I put enough paint on it, it'll stay for a little while. So another minor annoyance was this, the measuring gauge. Originally it came with a bolt here and a bolt here, which is great to lock it down, but you really only need one bolt. And in order to change it, you had to have a 9/16 wrench handy. Well, I took the bolts out and I put in a quick handle. So when I want to lock it down, I just pick my length and lock it down, and that's it. And if I want to change, I can change. Dry on the my new mark. So here, while we're waiting, put some gas in this. Ah, the wind. I hate these nozzles. These nozzles are the world's worst. Whoever invented these should be
beaten,
tarred and feathered. The wind is blowing, so I can't.
Oh, now it's dripping out the bottom just as fast. That's better.
It's windy now, so I can't pour it right out of the can.
You need a big funnel. Then you could just glub, 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 glub.
Yeah, a funnel might be a good idea. Let's see. So I put this cap on one time, and and then when I went to fill it up, I couldn't get the cap off because I tightened it down too much and there was no anti-seize on the threads. So needless to say, that was the next thing I put on, was anti-seize. So now every time I go to put gas in it, I get anti-seize on myself, which I just love. Alright, the bar oil is good. Bar oil is full, almost full.